Yo, what's up, y'all? Today, as you guys can see, we got another POV video. I'm gonna just be, you know what I'm saying, driving around and stuff. It's been a little while since I did a POV of just me, you know what I'm saying, just me straight talking to y'all and seeing how y'all mental health going, you know what I'm saying, seeing how y'all doing, seeing how y'all feeling, you feel me? Type in the comments right now to let me know how y'all feeling, how y'all days been, how your night going whenever you're watching this video. Hey, a good little, it's a slight little pull right there. It's a slight little As I was saying, man, I ain't gonna lie, people, I've been going through a lot lately. You guys probably have been going through a lot lately. Why this guy on my ass, bro? This nigga in a white Nissan is on my ass and shit. But I just wanted to see how y'all doing. If you're not doing well, it's okay. Just keep on pushing. You feel me? It be like that. Look at this guy. He's about to pass me right now. It's probably a female. I don't know. Yeah, it was a girl. It was a girl too. That's crazy. She over there driving like she trying to ram into my ass and shit. Huh? But back to what I was saying. For the ones that are having a rough time, you feel me? It's okay. Just keep on pushing. Keep on. You feel me? Pushing through the circumstance that you're going through, because it ain't gonna last forever. Because I'm in that spot right now. I ain't gonna get too in depth about it, but you know what I'm saying, niggas, yeah, you feel me? I ain't trying to be in the spot I am right now. I'm trying to, you feel me? I'm trying to make better out of my circumstance, you feel me? But hey, man, I'm just driving around today. It was literally like an hour ago. It was like raining hard as hell. The way that lady just looked. She's like, what the fuck? Oh, it's a black A. Oh man, that was funny as hell. She looked so disgusted. She be popping a little bit. She be farting, you know. She be farting. You know I love when my baby fart. I be making it fart and shit.
Pause.
But yeah, it was just storming mad hard. I was like, damn, I don't even feel like driving with it raining that hard. I can't really, you know what I'm saying? I can't really, feel me, do what I want to do, you feel? But this is a random ass question. When y'all go grocery shopping, because I just went grocery shopping before I started recording and stuff. When y'all go grocery shopping, how much do y'all normally spend? What's y'all normal number? For me, it's usually like 200 some, maybe almost 3. This time I was like pushing like 330, bro. I was like, oh my god. But then again, my apartment was kind of like, we were on like, you know what I'm saying, like there was barely anything left in there. But and it's been a little while since I went, so let me know in the comments down below how much y'all be spending on groceries and stuff like that. Damn, bro, I love making her pop, bro. I love making her pop. I love making her fart. I just, you know what I'm saying, I just love it. It's mad fun, you know what I'm saying? I want to go a different route this time. I might take this left just because. What's y'all favorite fast food restaurant? Mine is definitely not McDonald's. Mine is probably, I ain't gonna lie, it probably is Panda Express, just because Panda Express is comp. Like, you can't lie, it's comp. If y'all don't like Panda Express or BB Bop, I love BB Bop too. I ain't gonna lie, I love BB Bop too. If you don't love those, I don't know what to tell you, because those are comp. I'll fuck with those fast food restaurants a lot, man. Like, real talk, I really do. Kitty. That was a Hellcat. Hold on, that was a Hellcat. I hope y'all seen that. Yo, and it was, of course, the blackies were over there. But that was a Hell Kitty. I ain't expect it. I thought it was gonna be a RT. Every time I get hyped, I'd be like, ah, it's a Hellcat and it's a RT or something, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's what's up. Right now we in the hood of Kentucky. Let me chill with the pops and bangs over here because before these niggas are shooting at me. I'm a civilian, dude. You know, I ain't a thug. I don't want to get shot at. But if you guys watch my latest video on the channel, I did test drive a Jeep SRT. It was fun as fuck. It was so much fun, bro. Like, I will be getting that Jeep SRT soon, bro. And when I say soon, I mean soon, bro. Like, I will be getting it soon. It was mad fun driving it. Like the launch control in that car was so like, it was so fun, bro. It was so fun, bro. Why is she staring? I don't know where the fuck I'm at, bro. It's a nice neighborhood now, or just still the hood? I don't know. Shit, I don't know where the fuck I'm at. I don't even have my, you know what I'm saying, on me. I don't got the shit on me. But back to the Jeep SRT, bro. Like, every time I would rewatch the video, bro, and I'm like, bro, that I had so much fun driving that car, bro. Like, I really had a lot of fun driving that car. That car was so much fun to me, bro. I just need it, bro. I deadass just need that SRT, man. Like, I really enjoyed it, bro. The power behind it, the way the car picked up, all that shit. Like, it was just like that. Bro, you hear that? She farting for real. I think she got diarrhea. I think she got that Riri. That diarrhea.
Bro, what's wrong with him? Something wrong with this nigga, bro.
Jeep had, bro, the Jeep also had a lot of space in it. Like, when I was sitting, like, I'm used to coupes and shit, right? In the low feel. When I was driving that, I felt higher, number one, but I felt like I had more room to, like, you know what I'm saying, move and shit. Like, I didn't feel too, you know what I'm saying? And the ride, like, the feel of the ride, I felt more like on clouds than a coupe, because the coupe be hugging the ground and shit. I'm not saying my coupe drive hard, like it's rough when it drives. No, it's not. It just felt more, you know what I'm saying, like you're more stable. I don't know how to explain it. I just felt way more stable and things. That's a nice Mustang over there. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's black. A black Mustang. But yeah, I need it, bro. Especially in the summer, I mean the winter. Because when I be driving this car in the winter, it be, bro, y'all don't understand how much of a headache it is, bro, to drive this in the winter. Rear wheel drive, icy conditions, or snowing or whatever it is, bro. You gotta really lock it in, really, like, even with your gear shifts, bro. Like, each gear shift, if you do it wrong, you're gonna be sliding, bro. It's just a lot, bro. It's just too much for me, bro. But I've owned this car for about to be 4 years, so I've survived. But feel me, I don't want to stress no more. I don't want to stress no more. like I was saying though, this video, it was just mainly to just catch up with y'all, especially the new subscribers, just see where y'all heads are at. Show y'all I appreciate you by posting more consistently, even though, you know, I feel like this video don't really have much substance to it, but that's what I want to do, make more videos with more substance and, like, you know, I say take my time, but I also don't want, especially my guys that just subscribe and stuff, to not stay tuned and whatever the case may be, bro. I'm just trying to lock in with y'all, let y'all know that I'm gonna be as consistent as possible, bro. I want to go to more car meets and things like that, but where I'm at, where I stay right now for work and stuff, there's not a lot of car meets over here at all, and if there are, it's dead. Okay, it's dead as hell. So I want to get some nice like car meets and things like that for y'all. So bro, she be, you know, I think she be, she go, she, I ain't gonna lie, she low-key probably caused my back pains and shit. No diddy, like, real talk, I think this car caused my back pains. I've been having back pains, I swear, ever since I got this car, bro, and I think this car is a culprit. I don't know why the car been doing me like this lately, but, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna say I don't like it. Pause, you know, that was crazy. I'm so sorry, y'all. Let me see where it's at. I'm so sorry, y'all, but yeah, that was insane, bro. That was insane. Also, let me know if y'all want to see more like videos of me learning how to slide and shit. I gotta find an area where I'll turn the traction control off and I'll try to slide this car and whatnot. I'll try to slide this car and whatnot. I was trying to turn around and stuff right now, but golly, like, bro, we're in the middle of nowhere, bro. I'm actually like a little bit nervous for my life. This low-key hillbilly nation and shit. I'm about to turn around right here, bro. Well, I'm about to turn around right here. Turn around right here. I hope I don't scrape my exhaust, bro. Hold on, I gotta lock in real quick. Fuck. What was that? I hope I did not scrape my exhaust, bro. That would've been dread as fuck. Sound like it did, but it sounded like the rocks, low-key. Let me get up out of here, bro. But yeah, like I was saying, like sliding and stuff. One time I did turn traction control off camera, and I didn't make it turn, and that, bro, it felt like my car felt like a different beast, bro. Like it, bro, scared the shit out of me, gang. Like literally scared the crap out of me, bro. After each gear shift is, I love it. I love how she part after each gear shift and shit, bro. Hopefully y'all heard that, but yeah, man, just let me know in the comments down below what other type of videos y'all want to see for real. Whether it's me sliding, more car meets, more POVs, but like give me more creative stuff to do with the POVs and things like that. I know I posted Unimiles driving, you know what I'm saying, listen to Unimiles while driving and stuff. Let me know like other cool like ideas y'all may have, and I'll bring that to y'all for sure. But yeah, just talk to me in the comment section. I appreciate every single one of y'all that tuned in, you feel me? And yeah, man, Jeep SRT coming soon, I promise.
Shut up, bitch.
Baby, I'm too hot, I ain't wanna fuck no one. Bitch, you got some nerve claiming that you know me. Nigga, you got some some nerve claiming that I owe you. You ain't know the secret to the drip till I showed you. Hey.